Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your tablet out app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. And all you have to do, you just go down, you keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list here, and there you're looking for tablet out app. Or just click on search, then here at tablet out app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list, click on first stop, click on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, then all you have to do, just click here on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, you search here for the SimpSons tablet out, it's going to show for you like this, you will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.